So the problem is, let Px be a cubic polynomial with roots a, b, c. So as the roots of the cubic polynomial is given, so we can take Px to be of the structure x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, because these will be the factors of Px. So on opening it up, it is going to be x cubed minus sum of the root a plus b plus c into x square, plus sum taken two at a time, that is ab plus bc plus ca into x, minus product of the root, that is abc. And now let us differentiate the function p dash x. It's going to be 3x square minus 2 into a plus b plus c into x plus ab plus bc plus ca. The derivative is going to give you a quadratic polynomial. Now the next idea that is given here is that p dash x divides p2x. Now here lies the catch. Like if I consider p2x, think about it, p2x means I will be replacing this x by 2x, so same thing is going to be reflected in the factors. So if we change the factors as 2x minus a, 2x minus b and 2x minus c, now equating the factors with 0, we are getting the new roots to be x equal to a by 2 instead of abc. Now on replacing x by 2x, the roots will become a by 2, b by 2 and c by 2. So basically the roots are going to be halved for p2x. So we can say that since p dash x is dividing p2x, so we can definitely say that p dash x is a factor of p2x. So the roots of p dash x must be the roots of p2x. Now as p2x will be having the roots a by 2, b by 2 and c by 2, so one of the two of these three roots, that is a by 2, b by 2 or c by 2, must be the roots of p dash x also. So p dash x must have the roots a by 2 and b by 2, because it is going to be dividing p2x, which is having the roots a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So two of the three roots has to match with p dash x. So now we can write down the sum of the root for p dash x to be a plus b by 2, and thus that must be the sum of the root of the quadratic equation, corresponding quadratic equation, that is this equal to 0. So this is going to be 2 into a plus b plus c by 3, and product of the root is going to be a by 2 into b by 2, that is ab by 4, and that should be ab plus bc plus ca divided by 3. Okay, so we are using the formula for sum of the root, that is minus b by a, and product of the root, that is c by a. And since we know the roots, so we can write down sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now what we can say from here, like from this particular equation, we can see that on simplifying we can write down a plus b is equal to minus 4c, and from this particular equation we can write down ab is equal to minus 4c into a plus b, and that a plus b is nothing but minus 4c, so we can substitute that a plus b here. So minus 4c into minus 4c, it is going to give us 16c square. So we have got a plus b equal to minus 4c and ab equal to 16c square. So from this two equation we can crack a minus b, that value to be root over a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a minus b is nothing but root over 16c square minus 64c square, which will give us, let us take the positive value, so it is going to give us 4 root 3 iota c, because you can see that within root we are getting a negative value, so it will give rise to iota. So a plus b equal to minus 4c and a minus b equal to 4 root 3 iota c. So now this is one equation and this is another equation. From this two equation we can easily write down that a must be, adding the two equation, 1 plus 2 will give us the value of a in terms of c. So a is nothing but minus 2 plus 2 root 3 iota into c, and on subtracting the two equation, 1 minus 2 should give us b equal to minus 2 root 3 iota times c. So since we are getting the values of a and b in terms of c, so our final answer can be a is to b is to c is going to be minus 2 plus 2 root 3 iota is to minus 2 root 3 iota is to 1. So this is going to be the final answer.